Time feels obvious. Every second seems identical to the one before it. Tick after tick. Minute after minute. We build our lives on this assumption. That time flows evenly. The same for everyone. Everywhere. But this certainty is an illusion. Because time is not something you can see. You cannot touch it. You cannot stop it in your hands. And when physics looks closely, time quietly stops behaving the way we expect. Time is not an object. It is not a substance moving through the universe. It has no color, no shape, no weight. Time is a measurement. It exists because things change. A clock does not contain time. It only counts motion. If nothing changed, time would lose its meaning. Without movement, without difference, there would be no before and no after. So why does time feel so reliable? Because our environment is slow. The Earth rotates steadily. Our biological rhythms repeat. Our clocks are synchronized. Within this narrow window of experience, time appears stable. But this stability is local. It works here, under these conditions. It is not a universal rule. It is a coincidence of scale. At high speeds, time behaves differently. This is not philosophy. It is measured physics. According to relativity, the faster an object moves, the slower its time flows. Clocks on fast-moving aircraft tick slightly slower than clocks on the ground. Satellites must correct for this effect every day. Without these corrections, GPS systems would fail. Time is already uneven. We just move too slowly to notice it. Speed is not the only factor. Gravity changes time as well. The stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. A clock closer to the Earth ticks more slowly than one placed higher above the surface. This difference is real. It has been measured. Even now, time is passing at slightly different rates depending on where you stand. Time depends on position. The brain does not sense time directly. It senses change, movement, events, sequences. From these signals, the mind reconstructs duration. This is why time feels slow in stillness and fast in distraction. The clock does not change, but experience does. There is measured time, and there is lived time. They are not the same. We often imagine a universal present, a single moment shared by the entire universe. But physics disagrees. There is no absolute now. Events that appear simultaneous from one perspective may not be simultaneous from another. Each observer carries their own present. The universe does not synchronize itself. Time is not broken. It is subtle. It bends. It stretches. It adapts to motion and gravity. We do not live inside a rigid clock. We live inside a flexible universe. And understanding this does not make reality smaller. It makes it deeper. Welcome to Hidden Science.